says okay. But this is about 50 by 70 now. Cool. And we expanded a little bit in all directions. Over there, we also have some more box beds. A lot that are just weeded, weedy. And that site we're going to continue planting next year with more fruit. So we have a bunch of service berries over there. I think 2 persimmons. I don't know what else you planted last year. You got those 3 apples? Or was it 5 apples?
Maybe 6.
So that's going to be mostly our orchard side. And I think our herbs, like perennial herbs, are going to be over there. And some perennial flowers. Moving through. Yeah, these last 3 beds I haven't done anything with yet.
Oh, it's so nice to have standard beds.
Yeah. It's a huge help.
So this is what Tony did?
Yeah. So we ran out of main line, which is why this stops here.
Right, but you can...
Yeah, we're going to set it up.
But you can do that.
So that's coming in. He wants to finish it out because he's going to put a spigot up here by the barn so we actually have water. So this is all trench. Sorry?
Hey, Tony, I was asking.
Yeah.
And you already put seed down?
Yeah, that's clover. And then you can see the valve, the little white valve there.
Yeah.
So we're going to set up main line and hook up these 5 beds as well.
Nice.
So that we can irrigate those. That's our pumpkin patch.
Yeah,
Whatever
that was
we're calling
nothing the first time I came here.
Yeah, no, nothing was there.
Like, not
When
even the
was that?
boxes. Not even
Yeah.
the boxes. That was in...
Dave built those.
That was like May?
Yeah. Beginning of May.
Yeah.
End of April.
Sure.
Somewhere in there. When was that big event that we filled everything? The big event I think was May 22nd.
I remember last weekend.
When we had the 50
Yeah,
people
so
here.
it's already...
Where'd y'all fill them? What's the best fill with?
Veterans Complex. So we put cardboard down in the bottom of the bed. We didn't have enough cardboard for the whole area. I want to make sure over time we weed that out and letting in the chips. A lot of our sites, we have real problems with the Bermuda grass growing straight into it. So I'm trying to make more of a barrier. And I just found out, Maya says she buys Ramboard, like that construction cardboard stuff.
She buys it.
Yeah, she buys that from like Home Depot, and she lays that instead of cardboard because it breaks down much more slowly and acts as a better weed barrier. So I think we should start doing that for around our boxes, because it just, the grass is strong.
It's relentless.
Yeah. These are some little watermelons. They're still baby, and then my sweet potatoes.
Did you dress these?
Yeah.
What variety?
Great question. I have no idea. It's written down in my notebook. There's 3 here. And I counted it out. Are you asking my sweet potatoes or my watermelon?
Watermelon.
Oh, I don't know what my watermelon
Sweet
is.
potato? What variety sweet
My
potato?
sweet potatoes, I've got Beauregard on this half and Hernandez on this half.
Nice.
And I know because I wrote it on my plastic. Yeah, this looks great.
Usually we put like a stick in the garden, and we put the
Variety name on it.
no, we put the pouch. If we use all the seeds inside it, we put a pouch and we hang it like that.
Oh, yeah.
So we will know, wherever we want to
Lisa
see
does
us.
that.
This
That's
is
what,
the
I've
seed.
seen a lot of gardeners do that.
Yeah.
But on a farm, it just, they blow away, they get
Because they
blocked.
seeded half of each packet at both sites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And then you will know
I don't know.
how many seeds that you use for it.
So do y'all still manage the other site, the community garden?
at
site
Oliver,
too?
yeah.
At Oliver.
So I'm there 3 days a week now and here 2 days a week.
Most important to us is that neighbors receive food and all the food that we grow is received.
Yeah. And we're kind of hitting that mark this year. And then we also donate to Brace every other week.
What do you
Right.
think here?
This bed is going to be more watermelon that you're next to right now. I think that was going to be like the start of fall stuff
Oh, you need to be there.
in my schedule, so that's why I was waiting on.
Okay.
Are those the tomatoes you got from us?
Those ones, the first bed, yes. The second bed, no.